Let's see how to remove a business account on Instagram. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. So as you can see, my account is currently set as a business account. Now to remove it, tap the hamburger menu and go to Business Tools and Controls. From here, tap on Switch Account Type. So here we will get two options, switch to personal account or switch to a creator account. I will choose switch to personal account and confirm the process. Now close the app once and reopen Instagram. Go back to your profile and here you will see your account is now a normal personal account. So if you want to make your account more private, just tap the hamburger menu again and go to account privacy and turn on private account. And that's it. Your account is no longer a business account and is now more private. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.